Good morning from Nugget Shooter Journals. We're out here hunting today, me and Sean, one of my favorite hunting partners. He's up the wash there somewhere. And we're in an unnamed wash in an unnamed county in an unnamed part of the state. Not really, but we're on a private claim here. And I'm hunting with the SDC 2300 today, and Sean is using a GPX 5000 with a 10-inch coil on it, I believe, something like that. So anyway, we're hunting on bedrock. You see right here I got schist bedrock, and there's some veins running through it, and then we got rhyolite right next to it. Well, everybody knows, well, not everybody, but a lot of you know what happens when rhyolite and schist have contact like this. It's a good place to find gold, and that's what we look for in this area. So anyway, I got a target right here. Pretty darn good sounding target too. So I'm going to set this thing down and we're going to dig it up. Okay, here we go. Now this machine's got a mono coil. The hot spot is all the way around the edge, about maybe an inch in. Okay, hopefully it's not this rock. And it's not. We actually have a target in here. Uh-oh. I don't like it when I get them right away in a scoop. Well, staying in the scoop nicely. Okay, in my hand, look at all the black sand in here. See it all through there? Okay, see what we got. Okay, it's in my hand. I sure don't see any gold, do you? Still in my hand. It's going to be this little piece of iron right here. Right there. First target trash is what it is. Off we go. All right, we got a pretty good target up here on the bank. Yeah, there's been some nice nuggets come off the bank in here. Where was that? Where was it? Right up here. There. Kind of loud and raspy. Good chance it's cast, but in a tailings pile. Yeah, I moved it. Always hopeful. Heck. Still there. I think it fell down a little bit into the rock. Still here. I guess I'm allowed to get a little excited over this one. Uh-oh. All right, it sounds like I moved it. Let's see if we can get it with a scoop. Okay, we caught it. Ah. Sorry about that. Here's my own pick. Okay, I'm gonna tilt this down. Hold on, don't get dizzy. All right, see what we got. I'm calling it trash. Could be wrong. Hope I'm wrong. In my hand. Yep, trash by the look of it. Piece of iron, but it was still there. Up in the bank. Yeah, well, I really like this machine. The technology is called multi-period fast. And it's quite a bit different than the other PI units out there. And this one actually is a PI. It's just a different technology. And works quite well. Love this machine. Well, I got a really good target right down in here. It's in the bedrock. Sorry about that. You can hear it here. I had to go get my brush. My buddy Paul Sutherland gave me a pretty cool brush. And it gets down in there. This is all bedrock here. Stuff caught in the cracks. What is in here? Who knows? Who knows? We'll know in a minute. Down in that crack pretty darn good. Yes, it is. We'll go and dig around a little bit. Then this gravel loose. It's a pretty big hole right here. Hope to see that gleam of gold down there. Let's see if it's still in there. Yes, it is. Okay, we got that loose. That might help. That loose, yep. Okay, we're down in this crack pretty good now. Yep. Sure be nice to see a piece of gold, wouldn't it? It's still down in there. And I've got just about all the loose stuff out of that crack. Let's see if it's still down in there. Oh, all we're gonna hear is that. Yeah, it's still in there. Looks like this might take a little work. Who knows what's down in that crack? Oh, good, this came loose. All right, we got a lot of dirt in the hole, but we got a big rock loose. So, let's see what we got under here. Uh-oh. Nope, still there. Still there. Yeah. It's still down in that darn crack. And it's right here. Right in that crack. It's This may be an all-day dig. All right, we're gonna bust some of that loose with a pick. I got the big dirt moving pick today. Okay, now we got a bit more of a hole. Let's see what we can find. This stuff isn't moving, that's bedrock. Okay, let's see if we moved it. No, sir, we have not. I'm going to be pretty disappointed if this isn't a piece of gold. By golly, it's right where a piece of gold should be. But heavy trash gets in there too, doesn't it? Now I'm right down to the nitty-gritty here. I don't know how much more crap can come out of this hole, but I'll get in that target. It's still down in there, guys. I'm just about out of stuff to break loose down here. Just about out. All right, let's see if that did it. You gotta be kidding. It's still down there in that crack somewhere. This isn't all fun and games out here. We gotta work pretty darn hard for some of this stuff. A lot of times you work all this hard work and get down there and you find yourself a piece of trash down in the hole. Look, all those heartbreakers. Hopefully this is not a heartbreaker. Hopefully it's an actual piece of gold. Okay. Unreal. It's still in there. Whew. I mean, there's just so much, only so much I can dig out yet. All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off and dig this out. It's a lot of work. Well, we're hearing a little interference from Sean's machine, but way down there in that bedrock, I got a target. Okay. That's a lot of digging. No way. What the heck is that? One mill, Arizona, I think Arizona, for one, yeah, it's an Arizona 1 mil tax token in a wash in the middle of nowhere in Arizona. I thought, well, that was a nugget for sure. That wee-woo, wee-woo, wee-woo you're hearing is Sean's machine. He's not far behind me. He's laughing at me for digging this up here. Look at this. Unreal. I thought for sure down in that bedrock, way down there, look how deep it was, that was going to be a nugget. Why in the world that's in that wash, this wash, I have no clue. Cool find. No, it's not decomposed like the ones we get over where the fire was by our house. This one's in really good shape. You have to see this, Sean. It's pretty cool. All right, anyway, yippee. Still happy. Relic. Well, we've changed spots. Different area. This wash found gold in before. Kind of just puttering around and hoping for a little peace. Not going good so far. Still hunting with the 2300 and working right on bedrock in here. I've got some pretty nice stuff in here over the years. This area could be just about anywhere. A lot of fun whether you get gold or not, just getting out and enjoying the weather. Well, I'm gonna go hunt right under that tree and I'm hoping for a nugget. Got a tax token, but that's not what I'm looking for, although it is a really cool find. Okay, I'll be back. Well, running around and exploring can have its price, but so does going back to the same old spots over and over. But no gold today. I did find an Arizona tax token. Let's see if I can find it in my pocket here. That was actually a pretty cool find. Uh-oh. 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 I may not have an Arizona tax token anymore. Wow. Well. Oh no, I put it in a jar. Thought I lost it. But it's getting a little windy and we're getting ready to go back. Hope the wind's not too bad on y'all there. Let's see. There's my tax token. Now we find these around the house and stuff sometimes and elsewhere. But this one's in pretty good shape. It's real dirty. But it's a 1 mil Arizona tax token. No gold. That's still a pretty cool find. Yeah, pretty cool find. So I like the SDC 2300. I'm going to use it a lot more. Start showing it some more because we're able to get out of some deeper dirt now and get away from home. So we're going to start doing a lot of prospecting, and I'm going to be using different machines a little more. The GPZ 7000 as well. And for now though, it's been a great day hunting with Sean. We're about done. No gold. He's on his way back. You can see him sneaking up behind me there. So for right now, if you like these videos and want to see more, like, subscribe, and subscribe button's down there on your right. Ring that bell. Nugget Shooter out.